Integrity Data is a software development company. I had the honor of starting the company 20 years ago with the focus on payroll, human resources.
Our primary objective is to help organizations improve their business processes in the area of payroll and human resources.
It's difficult when you're talking about a subject that is considered dry.
We're talking about payroll software. It's not the most exciting stuff in the world.
We used to send clients content and emails and newsletters and blog posts.
You think about how much email you get in a day, reading features about a piece of software.
We made it an effort to really build up our content for our website.
How do you get through that information as quickly and as efficiently as possible? We found that the video production allowed us to get the same information out, but a much higher rate of engagement with the client. People are more likely to spend a minute to watch a video than they are to spend 10 minutes reading a blog.
We want it to be more striking. We want it to be more noticeable.
And the video can be a little bit more interesting than just Affordable Care Act compliance or something along those lines.
We decided to start really getting serious about making our videos. We wanted to make sure that they were professional looking, and we chose Camtasia, and it has been a great tool for us. It's allowed us to do everything that we wanted to do in creating and editing and publishing our videos.
For me, the reason that I like using Camtasia is that it's just really easy to use.
Camtasia is also very intuitive. To be able to jump in and quickly create video, this was the easiest and best solution that I was able to get my hands on. I know if I have to turn something out quickly, I can pull it into Camtasia and make all of my changes within a few minutes. And I don't know that I could have done that with any other video production tool. Not that quickly anyway.
And many have asked us, how do you edit and put together the video? And I just tell them with Camtasia, it's simple.